Hello everyone. The Information and Analytical Service is in touch with you, Guru.Markets. Let's start with the company's summary data. If you're interested, you can pause it. We propose to consider all the indicators of the organization in question more scrupulously. Now we will analyze the main fundamental indicators of the company. OPENDOOR Technologies Inc., ticker OPEN. The review was created using current information as of August 6, 2025. According to classification Guru.Markets, company OPENDOOR Technologies belongs to the subcategory accommodation. 39 companies take part in the comparison. Find the final solutions at the end of this video. Overall score for the company in question, minus 7.5 out of 10 points. Average score for the subcategory, 2.6 points. If you look broadly, within the framework of the market in general, we'll see the average result for the market as a whole is 1.7 points. Against a minus rating, 7.5 points for the company OPENDOOR Technologies. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price OPENDOOR Technologies and subcategory companies, we can see that over the last 12 months the company's shares OPENDOOR Technologies Inc. showed a dynamics of 18.5%. Against the price dynamics in the subcategory of 7%. Market capitalization of the organization OPENDOOR Technologies amounts to $1.84 billion. The subcategory's market capitalization is $214 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $0.58 billion. With a book capitalization of the subcategory of $88 billion. Having compared the stock market and book value shares, we will see the following. Share OPENDOOR Technologies Inc. in the subcategory in case of market capitalization assessment is 0.86%. The book value is 0.665%. Evaluation of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company's financial liabilities amount to $2.29 billion. Debt to book value is 393% of the company's equity. Assessment of the company's level of financial obligations, very bad, minus 2 points. The balance of the company's market price to its profit is 0. Average for the subcategory is 16.7. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was minus $369 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are unknown. Assessment of the indicator of projected future profit in comparison with the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company's value to revenue ratio is 0.4. The average in the subcategory is 1.3. Evaluation of the company's market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $5,140 million. Projected revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Evaluation of the indicators of expected future sales volumes in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The sales margin is minus 7.2%, with an average for the subcategory of 8%. Profitability assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, Talent, minus 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 0.239%, which is 260% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the company is equal to $1,250,000, while for the subcategory it is $348,000. Assessment of the volume of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The profit per individual employee of the company is minus negative $250,300. Average in the subcategory, $20,900. Evaluation of profit per individual employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, Toilet, minus 0.5 points. The share of revenue per employee of the company is $3,486,000. In the subcategory, $260,000. Evaluation of the share of revenue per individual employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, Toilet, minus 0.5 points. The volume of short transactions was 22.2%, with an average for the subcategory of 3.6%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 64% for the company OPENDOOR Technologies. In the subcategory, this level is 52%. The company's current share price is approximately $2.51. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is approximately 92 cents. Let's look at the order table. It is available to you. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions previously made in a given season by the evaluation information and reference System.GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the valuation of the company's securities OPENDOOR Technologies. Information and reference system for stock evaluation Guru.Markets, the following decision is made. Open a sell trade at $2.52. The deal is open due to the company's relatively low valuation and price change. The organization was assessed using the Akeem's index assessment method. Take profit is set at 0.76. Stop loss is set at 4.28. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss. In this case, the order is closed automatically at the end of trading on September 5, 2025, or on the last trading day before the specified date. Ticker, FVRR, is the main purchase transaction. The video on the main order has already been published on the channel. When one of the orders is closed, the main or balancing one, the opposite order is fixed at the actual price. A huge thank you to everyone for watching to the end and for using the help System.GURU.Markets.